As you can tell outside, fall is definitely arrived. Now, does that mean all the buyers have fallen asleep? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As always, my name is Steve Yolongo and I am a real estate broker in the Greater Toronto Area. I've been selling real estate for over 10 years and this is my Behind the Numbers series where I break down the most recent and relevant real estate data and hopefully make sense of it for you all. Why don't we get right into it? So now that we've entered into October and we're definitely in the fall season, we do have the September numbers for you. So now that the fall has arrived, what can we look forward to? Well, if you listen to the news, it's pretty gloom and doom, but actually not so much. First off, let's look at sales. So compared to September of 2022, September's sales are down 400 units in the Greater Toronto Area. Compared to last month, they're down 650 units. We've seen a downward trend in sales since May of this year. Coincidentally, if you recall, the interest rate announcements came in June and July where the Bank of Canada increased the interest rate by a quarter point each time. Next up, let's look at active listings. So compared to September of 2022, active listings are up by over 5,000 units. And compared to last month, they're up 3,500 units. Now, this has been an upward trend since June of this year as well. So what is happening with the average sale price? Now that we're entering into a balanced market where in which we have much more units available to purchase, and keep in mind, we're talking about the entire real estate board here. So if we look at that entire real estate board numbers, we have over 18,000 active listings on the market right now. So in September, with only 4,642 sales, you can see that there is quite a bit of property out there to purchase. But believe it or not, it's still not enough. Now, why is it that the average sale price that sits at $1,119,000 is up from last month by about 3.4%? And up 3% compared to September of 2022. Okay, so let me get this straight. We're selling less homes, there's more homes on the market, but it's actually not having a drastic impact on the average sale price. Why is this? Quite simply, this speaks to the strength of the Toronto real estate market. We do have a lot of buyers that are right now, I wouldn't say falling asleep, but they're sitting on the fence and they're wanting to see what happens in the next 30 to 60 to 90 days. If the Bank of Canada holds the interest rate coming October the 25th, then I foresee the spring market, call it January, February, and March, really picking up steam. Why do I think that? Even though most people are saying, oh, this is the beginning of the end, the real estate market is definitely crashing, it really isn't. The average sale price is quite strong. There still are plenty of sales out there, but they are down. But as inventory levels start to increase and as buyers' confidence starts to return to say, hey, you know what? Okay, this is where the interest rate numbers are going to be. We'll probably see a little bit more inventory come on the market as the fall months continue and into the new year. Once we have an abundance of homes to purchase, buyers are going to look at that and say, hey, now's the time. I'm buying at a good price. Let me jump into the market. Let me lock in my rate and let's go from there. So I do foresee next year being a very strong year. Right now, we're in the fall. We have to just be a little patient as we get into the later parts of October and beginning of November. We'll see next month on my video where the numbers are at, but I do believe that we are going to see an abundance of sales. Average sale price should remain the same, probably will increase just a little bit, and then we'll see how we're going to end up the year. And again, that's all going to be based on what is the Bank of Canada's interest rate announcement going to sound like at the end of October. Well, that's it, my friends, for this month. If you're interested in your neighborhood specifically or your type of home, please reach out and let me know. I can do a much more specific comparative market analysis for you. But in the meantime, happy Halloween, everybody. Don't eat too many chocolates. I'll see you next month. And remember, if you got any value out of this video whatsoever, please like and subscribe. This way it helps push the channel out to more amazing people like yourselves that are interested in the Toronto real estate market. Bye for now.